Okay, Bob Proctor is, I think he's about 80 years old right now, or so, and he's the father of personal development. He's the one who was in The Secret. Have you heard about the book, the video, The Secret? Yeah. So he's the guru of, like, you know, all these top motivational people, and I learned from him, like invested a lot as well in this guy. And the best thing is right now, right? I realized that in Asia there is one other dynamic lady, right, who is also certified, right, to be able to train the mindset stuff coming and originating from Bob Proctor. Would you like to learn how to remove your virus that way? Yes? Right? So this amazing lady, whom I'm going to bring up to the floor later, will talk about how what you need to do to remove the virus from your head so that you can move ahead in life, right? So this is one of the things that I did, and of course, virus elimination from your head needs to be in a consistent approach, meaning that you can't go for just a few sessions and a rah-rah thing and then just end it up like that. No, right? We need to constantly keep in touch, right? Which is why a support group is very important, and that's what we are all about. Today is the beginning of the support group that you're beginning to see here, and all of us shall be in that boat, alright, on that journey together. Exciting? Yes? Yes. Alright, so this is the mindset bit. So the next thing that is really key after learning about the mindset is starting to take massive action. That is a massive action on what? Not on clearing your desk, making your place look very nice, tidy up all your files and all that, you know. People get busy getting busy, right? But that's not productive. I'm talking about massive action on marketing. Massive action on marketing. If you really want to earn and turn around your life, there's a few ways to do it. Go get a job and earn per dollar per hour. I mean, that's how you will earn. Another way is you don't have to rely on yourself, so you have a product or a service that you can sell. Like if it's a service, it may still be linked to your per hour. Right? Let's say if you're a masseuse, right, and you do 1 hour, $80. So if you want to make $80,000 a month, how many bodies do you have to massage? Just think about that, right? Now, it's still limited in that way. So we need to, I'm talking about scaling up your wealth, something that will you can do with or without you, right? So if you want to make money, right, I would suggest, okay, one of the things that I would suggest for today will be for you to go get that book, the Robert Kiyosaki's book. What's the title? Rich Dad, Poor Dad. How many have read that book? Okay, great. So that's a great start. That really totally changed my life, right? Totally changed my life. So marketing, massive marketing on a product or a service whereby if that one product, right, can move within an hour, you can sell, let's say you're going to make $10, right, for one widget. Widget means something, whatever it is, like a pen or whatever. So you make a $10 per sale. One way to market is to go out and sell one-to-one. I sell, and earn $10, right? So in business, there's service business or there's product business. So we're going to look at product because product means, or widget. Widget means anything that's going to not need you to be there. But if you have a product, the first way to make money is to go sell something and earn something from it. Okay? And then sell more. Make sense? Yeah. So if you want to sell more, there's another way. You can put in more effort, right? Where you talk to more people, or you use tools to help you market so that the tools will sell for you without you doing anything. Make sense? Yes. So that's exactly what we're talking about here. You will need to find a product that you can market, and that product can be leveraged using tools that will help to sell for you over and over again without you being there. Make sense? What if you can have this product sold for you, not just in Singapore? Okay? What if it can be sold in other parts of the world? Will that be a better leverage? Yes. Because if, let's say, I'm staying in Indonesia, in the parts where there's volcanic eruptions and things happening, so I will be affected, right, by what's happening around my area, and then that's it. The consumption stops there. But if my sale is still going around in Singapore, okay, and there's no eruptions and nothing's happening, so will my business still goes on? Yes. Okay, so that will be a way to leverage on another thing called leveraging on economy. That means countries, the different countries' economy, right? The other way, I'm not okay. Just pause a little bit because some of you are here for wanting to learn about business, your own business opportunities, like someone who can make cakes here, bake cakes. Baking? Raise your hand. I'm waiting for someone to raise a hand. Yay! Okay, now if you can bake, right, when you bake, you earn money, right? How can you use tools to leverage on your baking? What can you do to be still making money even though you're not baking? A bigger way will be for you to stand and conduct a class where you still bake one cake, but by baking one cake, you're making $800 rather than $80 per cake. You get what I mean? Because 10 people are in the room paying you $80. So you bake one cake, you still do one cake, but you earn $800 1 hour. That's called leverage also. But you are still there to do the work. What about another possibility of baking the cake and still not being there and still earn not 800 but 8,000? Would that be possible? Yes. How would that be possible? Exactly. You record yourself doing that and then you have that marketed where? Online, right? You do it, sell it online where people purchase that video with your cookbook or whatever for $80. Right, and then you sell 1,000 of that, and then you make more money without you having to be there. Make sense? Right, so it is not just about a product. Your service can also be converted into that. Right, how many of you like this kind of idea so far that I'm planting in your head? Right, so these are the kind of business ideas that we're going to talk about as we move along this journey together. Right? Obviously, we're not going to be able to do the full training today. Today will be an introduction training by myself and then also my two other training partners today. And then as we go along this journey, we're going to give a lot of ideas on how you can also move your own business. But at the same time, once you have your existing customers, right, the next way for you to make more money, mindsets, massive marketing, right? And then still on the M. We're still on the M. Massive marketing on more of the products. Okay, so massive marketing on more of the products. Meaning like this. I already can sell CDs and cookbooks and all that, right? Now the question is, what else can I upsell to the same group of people? Because I have really put in the effort, right, to get them in. Okay, so all I need to do is to just sell them the next thing that will be useful for them. Make sense? Yes? Right, so for example, if I already sold them a cake, can I sell them an apron